We know how to find the distance between the points on the x-axis and points on the y-axis. Instead of this, we are finding the distance between these 2 points A and B. A is 2, 5 and B is 6, 7. Now we can find the distance between these two. For that, we have to draw parallel lines parallel to x-axis and also draw a line parallel to y-axis from B. So this is perpendicular. Clearly x and y axis are perpendicular. And what about this point? This point is, let this be C, and this point is, you know how to find this. X value is 6 and y value is 5. So that is the distance between A and C. We know how to find. That is 4. 6 minus 2, 4. Also this distance is 7 minus 5. This is 2. So for finding the distance AB, we know this is AB is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. So root of AC square plus BC square. So what is AC? Root of 4 square plus BC square is 2 square. So that is root of 16 plus 4 is equal to root 20 equal to root of 5 into 4. Root 20 can be written as root of 5 into 4. That is equal to root 5 into root 4, which is equal to 2 root 5. This is the distance between A and B. Next, find the distance between these 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. For that, this is the distance. AB is the distance between these points, and again draw parallel lines parallel to x-axis, also parallel to y-axis from B. We know clearly this is right angle 1 and this point is C, and let this point, how we can find out this point? This x value is x2 and y value is y1. Okay, so what is AC? How we can find AC? Again, this is a right angle triangle. AB is the hypotenuse. For finding the base, we have to calculate the distance between x1 y1 and x2 y1. For that, we have to subtract this x1 and x2. The absolute value of x1 minus x2 is AC. And what is the distance between B and C? This is absolute value of y1 minus y2. This is distance between. So AC is absolute value of x1 minus x2 and BC is absolute value of y1 minus y2. So finding the distance AB, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Root of AC square plus BC square, that is root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus root of y1 minus y2 whole square. We know the modulus of x square is same as x square. For example, modulus of 2 square is same as 2 square for a line. So similarly, absolute value of x1 minus x2 x1 minus x2 whole square is same as x1 minus x2 the whole square. Absolute value of x1 minus x2 the whole square is same as x1 minus x2 the whole square, and the same one. So we can use that value here. So x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. For finding the distance between the coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2, we can use this formula. Absolute root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Next question, find the distance between the points 4 minus 2 and minus 3 minus 1. We know the distance between the coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, distance formula is root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the formula for finding the distance between the coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2. For that, here 4 minus 2 and minus 3 minus 1. Here x1 y1 is this one. x1 is 4, y1 is 2, and x2 is minus 3 and y2 is minus 1. You can substitute in that formula. Distance is equal to root of x1 minus x2 means 4 minus minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus minus 1 the whole square. Clear? This is x1, 4 minus minus 3. x2 is minus 3 plus whole square plus minus 2 is y1 minus 2 minus minus 1 the whole square. So, root of 4 minus minus 3 become 4 plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus minus 1 become plus 1 whole square. Root of 7 square, 4 plus 3 square, 7 square plus minus 1 square. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So root of 49 plus minus 1 square is plus 1. So root 50. So it can be written as root of 25 into 2. So we can write it as 25 into root. Root 25 is 5. So 5 root 2 is the answer. Clear?